Hello, it's Craig again. Today I'm going to show you my latest trash pick find from last week, this 1974 Snapper lawnmower. Reason why it's dated 1974 is because of what's the engine. It says 74 someplace. And the carb is working fine. I just got the air cleaner off of it temporarily with the stud in here. But when I got it, the gas tank was bone dry, which is a good thing, which is I don't have to deal with a hard time starting it with shitty gas in it. And it came with no bag. I found another bag in another trash, another snapper bag, but it was too short. It was from an older 19-inch mower. But this thing starts with one pull. You got to hear it run. Started a little cold. Try starting it again. One pull. Yeah, 1974, 3.5 horsepower brakes. Still runs good. Even though it's got the chute for the side discharge. Hopefully I can convert it to a mulcher, because I got this chute here with the plug, the mulch plug. It's from a later model snapper. But yeah, the blade, I might be able to rig it up. I mean, with these ball bearing wheels on here, it's a pretty fun mower to maneuver around. Yeah, it's a nice mower. Starts right up. Yeah, that first start I did, it started right up. It was cold. I did not start it prior to this video. And you want to hear it again? What the hell? Yeah, it runs great. A lot of kids that I grew up with around this neighborhood, their parents had mowers like this, and they had the bag on them usually. But yeah, if I can convert this to a mulcher, it would be a pretty fun mower to maneuver around the yard with. It's nice and small and not too bulky. Those ball bearing wheels really help too. Yeah, but it runs great. Gas tank was bone dry when I got it. So hopefully I can convert it to a mulcher. Yeah, it's got this plug here and the chute, and it looks to be about the same size. I might have to rig it up a little bit, but it's worth a try. And that concludes this video. Goodbye all.